This particular tune, I'm going to be doing the female lead again. I'm going to be dropping the guitar part. It's like a tongue twister when we're trying to do both together. So, but this is the conclusion to what has become over the years will be a goth, vampire rock opera. Now, being that I'm having to again channel the girl's part, just bear with me. That's also part of the reason I just dropped the guitar part while I'm singing. Actually, though, it'll be an effective way to do this. Also, too, what you're going to be hearing is the cheesy keyboard part, the easy keyboard part, da 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 da. That's going to basically go through a few variations. That, yes, he's going to say it. A treasure could pick up and play either while she's singing or like in an interim during solos and such. It makes no difference to me. We can leave it with the band. M can handle it. You think so, darling? Let's see what happens here. Just make sure I'm ready. More or less. Oops. Wrong button. Darkness, hidden from your sight. You'll become the prey of this princess of the night. There's no need to worry. There's no need to fight. Because while you're dying in my arms, you're going to feel so right. Princess of Darkness. Anyway, the first two verses. That was a solo version. Anyway, we might get back to this one. We will definitely get back to it. But I'm sparing the end for later.